Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10 and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on System and Updates, which is at the very bottom of the list actually. Now let's tap on the third position, which is Language and Input, and enter Language and Region. And as you can see, the very first section is attached to the languages. We've got 3 languages on this list. And now in order to add a language, just tap on Add Language. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so we've got a lot of options to choose from. Let me pick, for example, maybe Netherlands, and all you have to do is simply tap on the language you want to use. Now your device is asking you if you'd like to change your system language to Dutch, and if you are really ready to do it, just tap on Change. And as you can see, the Netherlands, the Dutch language just appeared at the very top of the list. It is ticked, and the whole system from now on will be in the chosen language. Now let me show you how to change the language if you've got some on the list. So let me enter the languages, which are right here. And in order to change the language, for example, to the English, which is on the second position, all you have to do is simply tap on this 2 bars icon, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, the language immediately changes to the English one. So actually, that's all. This is how to change system language in your HUAWEI MatePad T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.